What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be hitting some ponds while we're waiting for the delivery service to drop off our new kayak. So it is extremely foggy out here, but we are going to throw around the Jackhammer and a speed worm. We're going to see if we can find some fish up moving. So how about you guys bless me with some good luck? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big like, and let's go catch some fish. Right off the bat, we're going to try that black and blue jackhammer with that Missile Baits Hog Farmer shad spunk on the back. See if we can find some active fish. If not, we'll toss around that Texas rig. Ooh, just had one too. Just had one. Gotta be careful though, because there is a spot where I can get stuck out here. I'd hate to lose a $18 chatterbait. There's one. Second cast. Oh no, came off. First one on the old jackhammer and shad spunk. Not too bad, little guy. They're feisty. Alright, little fishy dude. See you, buddy. Took off like a rocket. So I'm just gonna keep on throwing around this little area. Do stop getting bit, then I'll switch to the Texas rig, and then we'll move down. Ooh, oh, that was almost bad. Come on. Let's get some big fish following this thing on these little porkers. Think about this, Iowa. I can literally cast the other side of this pond, and it is actually quite a distance. I need to slow down though. There's just so much crap on the bottom of this lake, that mucky grass and everything, so I'm trying not to get this thing dug too deep into that. Let's slow it down this time now. That's what I'm trying to avoid right there. All this nastiness. And it gets intertwined in the blade, and it's just a pain in the ass to pick off. Grass all the time. It's really shallow over here, so I gotta move this kind of fast. Like I'm already in grass. Dang it. Okay, let's get one more shot, and I'm gonna throw the Texas rig. I have a feeling that Texas rig is gonna do awesome out here. Maybe I'll throw a little longer, just in case. All right, let's go ahead and try this Texas rig around before we move down. Got the old swimming Senko, or speed Senko from Yamamoto. Still trying to put this pack through its paces. Caught a couple last video on the kayak. I'm gonna keep trying till we catch a fish on every worm. Then I'll give you my honest review of them. There's fish chasing up here. I think that weight's a little too heavy. I'm throwing a 1/4 ounce. I have some 3/16 ounce with me just in case. It's a good spot right there. Try to swim this thing. I stole my tail off. Dang tail broke right off again. So I'm swimming it with a straight worm. That's nice. Still want to try to catch a fish before I take this worm off though. What am I stuck on? Alright, that might be replacing this worm faster than we thought. Yep. Alright, replacing this worm faster than we thought. So before I replace that, I'm going to toss this jackhammer around a little bit more. We might move down before I actually retie on that Texas rig. So I like to find as many as I can. Oh no! On the moving bait. Or the moving bite dies down because it has been non-existent lately. I should have brought a topwater. The topwater bite would probably be awesome right now if I would have brought one. Unfortunately, I didn't even think about it. Well, we might have to switch that Texas rig. Drag it around a little bit before we fully go movement, because I haven't even seen anything chase this since I caught that one and lost one. We got my Momoko. Got a 4/0 EWD 6 cents stout worm hook. We're gonna go with a little, oh, you probably can't see that, 3/16 ounce bullet weight tungsten. And people really freak out about those tag ends. I like to leave my tag ends a little long. But, oh man, people freak out over that. Take these worms, break the tail, find where I put my hook. Now, let's go catch some fish. Alright, let's see. Make this Texas rig get us a fish. Got the little swimming tail on there now. There's a fish. Dang, my drag is loose. God, and he spit it. Oh, my drag is loose. I don't remember setting that so dang loose. So let's get this worm back on there. Yeah, it's probably 2.5 pounds maybe. Very, very subtle bite. Very subtle. I'm not even gonna mention that my tail is gone again. Fish. Oh, nope, no fish. Really wish I had my little kicker tail on there though. Oh no. Right there, right there. I wasn't expecting that guy. I didn't think I was even recording. Well, I'm recording now. Check that dude out. Whew. Look at that guy. Kind of choked that thing. Oh yeah, probably a good 3 pounds. Easy. Alright guys, we landed ourselves a halfway decent fish. Check that guy out. Not too bad on the old Jackhammer with that bruiser flash spunk trailer on the back. Whew, that's a good little fish right there. So I wasn't even expecting this guy. I wasn't even recording. And I was just going right there next to that grass, and bam, he just picked it up. So let's let this young girl go. She can get bigger. Now, if only I could remember to be recording all the time. You guys literally saw probably 95% of the fight. Literally, she hit it right here. She was just following it all the way. I cast it out and literally got right there. That's when she hit it. So she was definitely out deeper and followed it all the way up. Right before her food was escaping the water, she grabbed it, which is crazy if you ask me. Oh no, 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 no. Tried to get stuck right there. I might leave my other rod behind and run this bank up and down a little bit. Yummy grass. We'll try to position ourselves a little differently here. Get a little angle on these fish. Try from this angle. Love grass. There's grass everywhere. Let's try it. This is gonna be bad. Got him. I got him. That's like 3 inches of water. Come on. Stay down. Stay down, big fella. Holy crap, guys. Check that out. Look at that grass I pulled in. Freaking chunk. That water's like maybe that deep. That's freaking crazy. But can't beat that. As a prime example of why you should always throw where you know you're gonna get stuck, or it's gonna be a pain, because guess what? That's where these fish like to hang out. See you, dude. And you're going right back towards that grass right here. So, get this grass out of my hand. Slime. Guys, I'm throwing the jackhammer in here, but comment below what you would throw in this area right here. How low that water is where we caught that fish. It is merely 2 or 3 inches. Ridiculous. All right, y'all. That does it. I have to go pick up my package that I've been waiting for. So go ahead, if you'd enjoyed this content, a little bank beating session, throwing on that chatterbait in places we should not, and whatnot, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. Give this video a like. Make sure you comment on this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So go out there, hit the water, have some fun, and don't forget, enjoy that grind.